Hi viewers, it's Neelam. Welcome back to my channel. Today actually I wake up 8 o'clock in the morning and it's still pretty dark because the winter has begun. We have snow, but the inside is always a different story. So today I was thinking to make a little different kind of video for you guys. I hope you guys like it. It's a little peek of my everyday work, and now the summer has over and I love to work at summer outside. That's why I'm going to share you my gazebo video, and you guys love it, my summer video. So I'm going to show you the detail at the later, but if you like these kind of videos to peek in my home, what we do daily and how I start my day, how is to finish. I love to do the garden work. I really do. I plant these hydrangea last year, and let's see how it's going to do again, I mean the next year. And love to plant this sunflower from the seed, and I always love to plant new trees and do shopping with me at the superstore. So far, if you like this video, give me thumbs up, subscribe the channel. And this is my bedroom video. I'm gonna share you how I decorate my bedroom on a budget, and this is my master bathroom. So I'm going to show you organizing tips with you guys. So this is a pillow I got from the Dollarama, by the way, and I love this spot for reading and just relaxing. So the snow is already here, so it's really tough days. This is Oliver, my dog. And like the video, give me thumbs up, subscribe it if you like these kind of detail. I'm gonna share more peek into my house and my daily life. And I love to decorate, and we just finished our outside siding renew because it was a big hail damage, and do the DIY for my dresser, for my entryway. I already share with you guys, so keep watching in the my channel. And then I continuously do the donation to make a room in the house. And we just have this concrete floor, and I love to hang clothes outside when the weather permitted me. I love to do it, and Oliver loves enjoy weather. And this is my vegetable. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.